Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. Philips Avent Baby Bottle Warmer is one of the best bottle warmer for breast milk, formula, and baby food. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing, setup, and review of the bottle warmer. This bottle warmer features wide open design that fits various shape of baby bottles and food jar. Simple control with one push dial. Smart temperature control that detects the milk's initial temperature and quickly warm it to the ideal temperature and keep it warm for 60 minutes. Now let me open it and take a look. Using this bottle warmer is very simple. Add water to the bottle warmer to the level matching the level of the milk in the bottle. Then turn the dial to select the volume of the milk you are warming. Then push the dial. The indicator light will start to flash. Once the indicator light completes the entire circle and turns to solid light, the bottle is ready. Here are my final thoughts of the Philips Avent Baby Bottle Warmer. Pros: wide open design, able to fit wide bottles such as Komotomo bottles. Simple one-push dial control, easy to use. Works fast, takes about 3 minutes to warm a bottle. Cons: cannot set specific temperature. Warming results not consistent every time. Overall, the Philips Avent Baby Bottle Warmer is an easy-to-use bottle warmer with beautiful design and practical features. Definitely a great product to add to your baby registry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.